welcome back to my channel. So in tonight's video, we're going to be doing an after dark clean with me. As you can see, we're making some tacos back there. It's not quite dark yet. It's about 7 o'clock, so we're going to finish up. We're going to eat some dinner, and then we're going to get started on getting the house picked up. So I've got some dishes to do. I didn't do dishes last night after dinner. I went right to bed. So we've got last night's dishes, tonight's dishes. I've got a couple of loads of laundry to fold, and I want to tidy up the living room a little bit. So come along with me and get the house picked up. So it never fails. I always somehow get food on myself. There's taco on my belly. So I'm gonna make Josh's dinner now and then get started on these dishes.
But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time.
Come here. Sit. Say please. Say please. Good girl.
Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
So I don't know what happened to the footage, but unfortunately it was missing when I went to import it to edit this video. But here are some of the dishes that I was hand washing and putting on the towels to dry on the counter.
I bang. I'm not gonna be silent in this beer of wang. Oh, you know I'm not that kind of girl. I'm much better off in the underworld. I've got news for you, and things I wanna pursue. Oh, I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. Oh, I've got the wind in my hair. Oh, Kilimanjaro. And my wings are gonna silence you, Kilimanjaro. And my legs are gonna turn into a tail. Oh, Kilimanjaro. Oh, Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. I've got the wind in my hair, oh Kilimanjaro.
Those are clean. Get happy. Come in, right here. Come on. Up.
Apparently, the other side is requesting a detailed debrief of our recent
Show
dealings
us the
with
clean
Dean
clothes.
Jones. And given the gaps in the
Get your
defendant's memory and
butt
files, thinks it's best to
The clean clothes.
You sound less than enthused.
I suppose to take him down to Castle Island
Clean.
today.
Now they've got doggo on them.
One of the many
I must have shaved with a beer and didn't even drink it.
You did.
I was too scared to do my face. Almost sat down and still forgot my beer though. That's when you know it's important because it's hair.
I'm keeping it in.
But that's when you know it's important. It's hair. It's not beer. Right?
I'm keeping that in. I'm not editing it out.
That's fine. I don't care. I'm just letting you know it's important. It's hair, not beer.
Is that why you didn't do your head?
That takes a little bit more that I don't have tonight. That'll be tomorrow. I would have rather have done this tonight, but this was way easier.
And you could see it.
Unless you want to do it for me, we can do it right now. No, that's dying. I gotta plug it in. I gotta let it charge. No, I gotta let it charge.
I know, do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I wanted to do it tonight, but I didn't have the ambition to stand there like this and try to get everything off the back and make it good. So I just did this instead. That'll be 5 degrees cooler.
here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't no worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh, 'cause as long as we're together, home can be a million different things. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't nothing but a one way.
It probably doesn't look like much, but I did get everything done that I wanted to this evening. I got all the laundry put away, all the dishes done, even though you only saw part of it. But it was a productive evening, so after I got all this laundry away, I sat down and I enjoyed the rest of my evening, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. We've got a lot more content coming your way, so stay tuned. Bye, y'all.